Baba, hello.
Young man, sit down there.
Thank you, sir.
What you carry you come?
Baba, now this man when I sell Bitcoin for, he carry my money on. I don't know what they do. I sell Bitcoin for him finish. He carry my money on.
You're a fool. Repeat after me. I'm a fool.
I'm a fool.
You are a big fool. You dey sell Bitcoin, they give any. So you don't know. Say na Sneeze Tech na be #1 vendor for Nigeria. Even me, we be native doctor. You don't say me the press.
You be mumu.
At the press. Because this works out is the type of person at the press. Now Sneeze Tech at the sell. If you want to sell your gift card, you want to sell your iTunes card, anything you want to say, now they buy. Now you come to me now so that the person go die. When you not get sense, now you supposed to do that with the wrong person.
Baba, kill her.
I'm not gonna kill her. Come over here, go straight with Sneeze Tech.
Who be this bastard?
Sneeze Tech now be the ogbonge. If you fail, come meet me. You know, say me the press. You see, I sit down for here. I dey press for nights now. You go see me the light and for.
You think say they wise?
You don't know. Sneeze Tech now they sell my things for. Even the usual they serve is a presser. If they say they give Sneeze Tech, now you carry your, say they carry. Why they know you carry your thing wrong?
Why they talk like
They supposed carry you wrong.
Not be my thing now, my Bitcoin.
That your Bitcoin they go carry and lost again if you still go back to that same person.
But kill her for me now. I want to be kill her. I'm not kill her for me.
Take native shop. Put out for your mouth. Put out for your mouth. You know why you shop that thing? Because you don't get sense. You need to get sense. You need to get sense. Go and trade with Sneeze Tech and get out of this place, my friend.
Baba, but
Now
kill her
everything
for-
now you the key. I said come on for here before I used to that.